Opus Go is a powerful homeopathic tool always with you when you're on the go. After you have downloaded Opus Go from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, you can register for a free account. Click on the button Register and give your email address and a password. After you have done that, you can start Opus Go by entering your email address and your password. So let's start. At the bottom, let's tap on the first icon. That's the list of books you have in your Opus Go. In the list of documents, you see those books, those titles, which are included in your Opus Go. Now this is the free English version, and in other languages there will be other titles and other languages of documents which are included in the free version. So the free version has the full repertory of Kent, has Organon of Medicine, Kent Lectures on Homeopathic Philosophy, and the Medica. And probably in future there will come a few other free documents. Now before I show you how to open Kent Repertory, I tap here on Store, and you see you can purchase the premium version. If I tap on the triangle, you can see what is included. It comes with a list of included documents, and also this depends on the language you have installed Opus Go. So it comes with a core synthesis, repertory of Medica, repertory of hearing guiding symptoms, so that's KNER, and here I see the guiding symptoms of a Materia Medica, the hearing, which is an encyclopedia of 10 volumes, and so forth. So these books are included in the premium version, and after you have purchased the premium version, you can select one of the additional titles. For example, here the Synthesis Adonis in English. Now, if you like to purchase some other languages which is not in your store, please contact us and the tech support will switch those languages on for you. So for example, if you are living in Spain but you also want to see German, it's possible to also have the Spanish Synthesis Adonis and the German Synthesis Adonis. Okay, I tap here again on My Documents. I tap on Kent. Then let's say, for example, I want to go to throat inflammation of the tonsils. So I tap on the chapter Throat. Then I tap here at the top, type symptom, and then I type inflammation, that's enough. I tap on inflammation, and then I type here tonsils. Tonsils, I tap here on tonsils, and before I do that, you see 67 is the number of remedies in that rubric, and 3 means there are 3 sub-rubrics. So I tap on tonsils, and I see those 3 sub-rubrics. If I would want to take one of these symptoms, I can immediately do that by tapping on the plus icon. But if I want to go to that main rubric, you see at the top in the symptom path it says chapters and then throat, internal, inflammation, tonsils. If I want to go to that main rubric and not to one of the sub-rubrics, I tap here on the open book icon. So I come here in the repertory at the rubric tonsils. So I'm here at tonsils, inflammation of the tonsils. If I want to take this symptom into my clipboard, into my analysis, I tap on the word tonsils and I select here add to the analysis. If I tap here at the bottom on the third icon, the analysis, it shows me the clipboard with the number of symptoms. I have one symptom added, and if I tap here on the analysis, it will show me the analysis. I will come to that later. Let's go back here. I tap at the top on the arrow to the left. It goes one step back. So I'm here at tonsils, and I've taken that in my clipboard. So I want to take now a second rubric. At the top, in the symptom path, I tap on the word chapters, and it opens here the chapters window. I want to go to mind, fear of being alone. So I tap on mind, and I type fear, F-E-A. I tap on fear, and then I type alone. I tap on alone. Now there are 3 sub-rubrics, but I want to go to that main rubric, mind, fear, alone, and I tap here on the book icon to open that repertory at that position. So to take this symptom also in the clipboard, I tap on the word alone of being alone, and I tap add to analysis. I tap now on the analysis or the clipboard analysis window, at the bottom the 3rd icon, and I see that there are 2 symptoms in the clipboard. Here in this clipboard I could delete a symptom if I don't really want it, or I can change the intensity. If I tap here on the 1 with the arrow down, I could give it a different intensity, but let's keep here a 1. I tap on analysis to see the analysis, and there are 2 displays. There's a wide display of the analysis and a more compact display. To change between them, I tap here on the local options, and I select here analysis compact display, and this is the compact display. If I tap here at the left at the triangle next to the 2, I see which 2 symptoms that remedy covers. And at the right is the score. So let me go back to the wide display. I tap on the local options, and I switch off the compact display, and this is the wide display. If I want to read about a remedy in the Materia Medica, for example here lacaninum, I tap here on the text icon, and it will show you those documents where that remedy is present. In the free app, I have here only the burger. So I tap here on the burger, and I open the burger Materia Medica at the remedy lacaninum. Okay, I tap again here on the analysis, and I want to save my analysis. I tap on new patient because there are no patients yet. I tap on new patient. I give it the first and last name. So I do John and Drew's, and if I want to give also the date of birth, I tap on it. I select here a year, and I select a month. So I select here December 2020, and at the top I tap on December 2020 to confirm it, and I can select a day, and then I tap on done. I can add a phone number, email address, and I tap on add this new patient. So add a new patient, and the patient is saved. Now I want to save that analysis, that clipboard plus the analysis to that patient. I tap on Save Current Analysis. I can tap here on the analysis. At the top, via local options, I can say delete this analysis, and the clipboards and the analysis is being deleted, and you can start with a new patient. So that's it for this first tutorial. More in the next tutorial.